In this video, I am going to explain the predefined reports which are available in this accounting software. Predefined reports will help you to show the current position of your business. If you are entering on the daily basis, if you have updated your accounts on a regular basis, you can come and see the reports at any time. So the first report is we are going to see is our expense vouchers. If you want to see the expense vouchers for a specific period, enter the period and click this blue button. Otherwise, click on show all vouchers. It will show you all the expense vouchers which you have entered in the system. So for example, I want to see all the expense vouchers which has been entered for my specific project, which is Toyota Corolla. So these are all the vouchers which has been entered in the system. Further, I want to filter and would like to see all the vouchers which has been paid by cash. So these are all the vouchers which has been paid by cash. Further, I can select for any account. If I want to edit any of the voucher, I'll click this pencil sign. I can reset at any point of time in order to see complete vouchers of the system. Further, I can do so same thing with my income vouchers. Let's go to the cash transfer vouchers. These are the vouchers which has been entered in order to transfer the cash from one account to another. I want to see all the cash transfers from my MCB bank account. Now the cash has been transferred to these accounts. In order to view the statement of account, I need to click this blue button. For the period of November, I would like to see my bank account statement. I'll click on the show. The system will generate for me the opening balance of my bank account, all the transactions, debit and credit at the end closing balance. This is the amount is available in my bank account. I can download the data by clicking this download button. If I would like to see the income statement, I can click on the income statement. I can define the period for the income statement I wish to see and click this show button. This amount will be showing me the total business profit in that period. If I further select any of my project, the profit will be changed and will be shown to me the total profit for that project only. If I wish to see the income statement for the whole year starting from November till now, I can select the period, click on the show button. Right hand side, all my expenses total will be shown. Number of entries will be displaying. It means that number of times the voucher has been entered for that expense account. If I click on yearly, I will see the total of expenses month wise. If I click on pivot table, I will see all my expenses project wise. It doesn't matter how many projects are there in your system, you can see the same way. Same thing will happen to the business income. Budget versus actual comparison will show me the period. I will select any of the month and the system will show me the total entries has been made in that particular month, what was the budget, what was the actual, and what is the difference. I can see the budget versus actual comparison report for any of the month separately. There is no entry or very few entries in the month of October. This is how you can see the predefined reports which are available in the system and you will come to know at any point of time if you are updating your accounts on a regular basis. You can change the password anytime by clicking this change password button. Thank you very much for watching this video.